Ever wondered how your Netflix recommendations are so spot on? Or how your email filters spam so efficiently? The answer lies in a technology that has rapidly evolved over the past few years: machine learning. Machine learning, at its core, is a method of data analysis that automates the building of analytical models. It's a branch of artificial intelligence, and it's all about the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Now, machine learning can be broken down into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each of these types plays a distinct role in how machines learn and process data. First up, supervised learning. Imagine a teacher instructing a student. The teacher guides the student, correcting them when they make a mistake, until the student can correctly solve the problem on their own. Supervised learning works in a similar way. It involves training an algorithm using labeled data, that is, data with defined variables and outcomes. It's like the machine is being guided by a teacher who corrects its mistakes until it can process data accurately. Key algorithms in supervised learning include linear regression and decision trees. Next, we have unsupervised learning. This is like giving a child a box of Lego without instructions. The child has to figure out how to build something on their own, learning through trial and error. In unsupervised learning, algorithms are left to their own devices to find structure in unlabeled data. A common example of this is the k-nearest neighbors algorithm, which is used to classify objects based on the closest training examples in the feature space. Finally, there's reinforcement learning. Imagine training a dog. The dog performs a trick, and if it does it correctly, it gets a treat. If not, it receives no reward and tries again. Reinforcement learning works similarly. An algorithm learns to perform an action from experience. It makes certain decisions, receives feedback, positive or negative, and then adjusts its course accordingly. So, to summarize, machine learning is a powerful tool that allows machines to learn from data and make decisions with minimal human intervention. It's broken down into three types: supervised learning, where algorithms are trained using labeled data; unsupervised learning, where algorithms find structure in unlabeled data; and reinforcement learning, where an algorithm learns to perform an action from experience. Understanding machine learning and its types helps us appreciate the intricate work that goes on behind the scenes of our favorite apps and platforms. It's a fascinating field, always evolving, always pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. So next time, when you get a spot-on recommendation or an accurate spam filter, remember, there's a whole lot of learning going on behind the scenes.